this video I'll show you how to reset Instagram export page. If your Instagram export page is like mine, you are gonna see a bunch of stuff that you are not interested. You may want to try to reset it. I will show you how to reset Instagram export page. This is very simple and easy tutorial. Okay, let's get started. The export page is basically the search icon right here, and if you jump into it, it's going to show you stuff like this. A lot of stuff here, I have no idea what is showing to me. It's nothing like my home page. So let's go to your profile page and tap at three lines here. After that you have to go into your activity. Scroll down to the very bottom, and when you see recent searches, click on it and go ahead and clear your search history. This is not gonna do everything, but this is one step in a three-step process. Okay, so that's step 1. Step 2 is go back to your activity and scroll up and tap on likes. You have to unlike every post that you liked before, and this is very easy. Click on select button at the top right corner and choose all posts. And at the bottom tap on unlike, confirm unlike. Okay, so step 1 is clearing your search. Step 2 is going to your like page and removing any likes that are not things that are not really relevant to you anymore, maybe. And step 3 is I want you go to the export page and you need to train the algorithm a little bit. So tap on a post, for example this post, and if you like it, double tap on it to give it a like. To retrain a little bit, if you don't like something, press the three dots right here and press not interested. When you do that, it will say we will suggest fewer posts like this. I hope you found this useful. Give it a like and also subscribe if you're new. And if you have any questions around the video, comment down below and I want to see you in next video.